Back now with the latest in Minneapolis. The man at the center of the immigration crackdown in Minnesota is expected to depart the state as part of a leadership shuffle. According to the New York Times, on Monday evening, President Donald Trump met with Kristi Noem, the Homeland Security Secretary, and her top aide in the Oval Office for nearly 2 hours about the fallout over the death of Alex Pretti. Now, this comes as President Trump is now facing growing scrutiny within his own party over ICE tactics. ABC's Armando Garcia is in Minneapolis with the latest.
With protests targeting Border Patrol Commander-at-Large Greg Bovino in Minneapolis, the Trump administration now attempting to change tactics, putting Border Czar Tom Homan in charge in Minnesota.
Well, Mr. Homan is the point person for cooperating with state and local authorities and corresponding with them, again, to achieve this level of cooperation to subdue the chaos on the streets of Minneapolis.
Sources tell ABC News Bovino could be leaving the city as soon as today. New video shows protesters and observers on the scene 6 minutes before the fatal shooting of Alex Pretti. They sounded whistles as federal officers assembled by a donut shop to begin an immigration enforcement action. You can see the officers prepare pepper spray. Pretti arrived a few moments later and is seen holding his cell phone seemingly to record the operation. Shortly after he was shot and killed, Homeland Security investigations said the FBI arrived to collect evidence, including Pretti's phone and the gun he had a legal permit to carry. Customs and Border Protection officers involved in the deadly shooting were wearing body cameras. The agency says the footage is preserved, but it's unclear when or whether the public will see it. Minnesota state officials have asked a federal judge to order the preservation of all the evidence, saying they have serious concerns the Trump administration is capable of a thorough, transparent, and unbiased investigation. The Justice Department argued the court should not be micromanaging. In the hours after the shooting, Bovino accused Pretti of wanting to massacre law enforcement. But now there has been a shift in communication between the president and Minnesota's Democratic leaders. Trump said he, quote, seemed to be on a similar wavelength on a call with Governor Tim Walz about working together. Walz said the president agreed to consider reducing the number of federal agents in the state.
Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey said he told President Trump that the city would continue cooperating in what he called real criminal investigations, adding that people should be prosecuted for the crimes they commit, not where they're from. Armando Garcia, ABC News, Minneapolis.